Hey guys, I got a new video for you today, and as you can see, this is going to be a quick overview on a new flashlight that I just picked up today. Now, I picked this up at my local Target, and if you're anything like I am, either a gear nut or a flashlight nut, you can't help but always check out the flashlight or camping area when you go into your local Target, Walmart, whatever store it is. So when I was in there today, I saw this particular light. I was reading a little bit about it, the packaging and whatnot, and I figured I'd pick it up, to try it out and whatnot. So, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys. Now, this light is called the LED 2-in-1 light. I think that's the name of it. It doesn't have any other names on there, but it's really cool. I like the form factor, and I like the just everything about the light itself, obviously from what I saw in the packaging. So as you guys can see, it's got an aerial light, which is this section right here, lights up, and then it's got a directional light, which is, out the front right there. Let me see if you guys can see this. Focus in on that. The aerial light comes in at 100 lumens. Then if you turn it to the back, it gives you a little bit more information, and then you'll see the directional light right here comes in at 75 lumens. So again, directional light, it's got non-slip rubber grip on the sides. The aerial light, it's got a hole in the top right here, so you can hang it, maybe put some paracord or whatnot on there, and you're good to go. So let me go ahead, and it says right here, open for instruction manual. Obviously, I'm not doing that for that. I'm trying to see if I can get into the actual light back here. All right, it's got these twist ties on there. Let's see if I can get that off. Okay, and let's look at the bottom. There you go. Obviously, there's your instruction manual. And I'll twist these off so we can get to the light itself. All right, there we go. Put that to the side. Take these off. Take that off. Then I'll take this try me arrow off. Come on. All right, there we go. So here's the light itself. I'd say the light is about 9 inches long, about an inch wide at this point right here, maybe an inch and a half on the head over here. And then it does have that kind of rubberized feel, this orange strip right here on either side, and it goes all the way at the bottom. It's got an orange feel. The light area right here, where you would be your aerial light, it's not smooth. It's got a little texturing on it, so I guess that makes it for better reflective purposes or whatnot. And then in the back right here, I guess, is where you would take out the batteries. Now this does come with the batteries included, so you won't have to purchase those separately. And then here's your switch to activate it. Now if you press it once, the directional light will come on, and again that's 75 lumens. Then if you press it, depending on the time that you wait, it'll go off. But if you press it again, double tap, then you get your aerial light, and that's at 100 lumens right there. So it's pretty bright for for a little flashlight like this. And like I said, what I liked was the actual form factor of it. It's very thin right here, so this will definitely fit into a bag. If you want to carry it in your back pocket, maybe the light goes out, you always have it with you. When you're at home or whatnot, that's always an option. But it'll definitely fit in a lot of different places. Now, the other cool thing about this is the actual light. You are able to dim it. And basically, if you don't want the 75 lumens or the 100 lumens and you want to bring it down, so if you press, turn it on, and then you press and hold, the light will actually start dimming, and this one is the directional one, and then it'll blink once it gets to the lowest point. I don't know if you guys saw that. Now if you press it again, it'll actually come right back up, and then you'll see it blink to when it gets to the highest output. There it is, and that's the 75 lumens. Now you can also do it with the directional. It's on right now. I'll press and hold, and you guys will see the directional light, or I'm sorry, the aerial light start dimming. There it is. It blinked, and that's at the lowest point. And I'm sorry, I don't know what the output is when it gets to the lowest point, but when you press it on, it'll come right back up. It'll blink again, and there you go, back at the 100 lumens. Now, when I was at the Target in the flashlight area, I did notice that they had another model of this. Basically, that other model is 150 on the area light and 100 on the what was this called? On the work light, on the directional light. Sorry. So 100 and 150. And the main difference with that one is it did have a rotating head, and it had these two kind of legs that come up, so if you want to prop it up or something like that. But this one was $19.99, the other one was $24.99. So for $6 difference or $5, depending on if you look at it before or after tax. I think you get a little more. So definitely, I picked this one up to try it out, and if it does work out, I might pick up the other one just to, to have the set. But that one's more of a, if you need it for, let's say, the lights go out, you're washing dishes or whatnot, you want to set it to, with a directional light, or the area light is pointing in a specific direction, then that one would be good. But I think this one for the money, for $19.99, you get a decent amount of light. It does use AA batteries. Let me see if I can get this open. Let me bring it around this way. Okay, there you go. You twist this little thing right here, and that's the lock, and it releases it. Let's see if I can get it open. There we go. Alright, and it looks like it runs on 4 AA batteries. That's always good. Those are readily accessible, so you can always find those. So if you do need to put more light in there, twist it back, it locks it, and you're good to go. Again, this was obviously more of an impulse buy, but being a flashlight nut, I always like to pick up the the new ones that I see and test them out and see how they work. Again, this is definitely something to throw in a car, have in a drawer at home, or if you guys have seen my bug-in bag, the bag that I have in case something happens, when I have all that. All the supplies in one location, I might throw that in there because it definitely serves a really good purpose for that particular bag. So again, this is the Energizer 2-in-1 LED light. There it is, LED 2-in-1 light from Energizer. I purchased it at my local Target, $19.99. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks.